In this short video, I will show you how you create a QR code in Affinity. First, set your document or image where you would like to place the QR code. Then go to the left side Tools panel. Here, find the rectangle tool. Right-click and view the full tool list. Below, you will see the QR code tool. Click on it and create a QR code. Because this is transparent, I will use the rectangle tool and create another shape below the QR code. You can skip this step if you like to use a transparent visual. I want a traditional QR code visual. Create a rectangle shape and put this layer below the QR code. Then change the QR code color to black. Adjust and reposition it if required. If you want to change the QR code color, you can do it from here. Change it to any color you like. Now the QR code is done, but we need to create a scan and visit link. Go to the Edit QR Code option. Here, the default type is website URL. Open the drop-down menu and you will see a list like URL, phone, email, WhatsApp, and more. Use whichever option you like to redirect your customers. Mostly, website links are used in QR codes, so I will keep it as URL. Then enter your website address here. Now this is created in the pixel persona in Affinity. If you want to create it in the vector or layout workflow, such as in Affinity Designer or Affinity Publisher, then switch your persona from the top. The process remains the same for QR code creation. Go to the left Tools panel, find the rectangle tool, right-click and view the full tool list. Below, you will see the QR code tool. And that's it. You have successfully created a QR code in Affinity. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also check out the amazing video playlists organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.